Our next topic of discussion is Commercial Dishwasher Machine Servicing Guide, understanding the machine's components. Spray arms. These arms rotate inside the dishwasher and spray water at high pressure to clean the dishes. If they become clogged, cleaning efficiency drops significantly. Filter systems. Filters trap food particles and debris. Over time, these filters get blocked and need regular cleaning to maintain water flow and prevent clogs. Water supply lines. These lines deliver water into the dishwasher. Any blockages or leaks here can reduce water pressure, affecting the cleaning process. Heating element. This element heats the water for washing and rinsing. A malfunctioning heating element will result in lower water temperatures, which compromises cleaning and sanitation. Drain pump and pipes. The drain pump removes dirty water after washing. If there's a problem with the pump or pipes, water may not drain properly, leading to water retention inside the machine. Explanation. Understanding these key components helps in identifying common faults. Knowing where these parts are located and how they work will make troubleshooting and repairs more efficient. Step-by-step servicing process. External inspection. Visual check. A simple, non-technical step that involves looking at the outside of the dishwasher for any cracks, leaks, or worn parts. For example, door gaskets that are cracked or worn can cause leaks. Safety mechanisms. Ensure the door lock or safety interlocks are working. Dishwashers won't operate if the door isn't securely latched, so this is a key safety feature to check. Explanation. External inspections are essential to detect visible damage or safety issues. It's the first thing to do before diving into more complex servicing tasks. Internal inspection. Filters and spray arms. Clogged filters or spray arms reduce cleaning effectiveness. Remove the filters and spray arms, clean them thoroughly, and ensure there are no obstructions. Check water pressure. Low water pressure can result from clogged water lines or filters. Test the pressure to ensure the machine cleans efficiently. Drainage system. The drain system is critical for removing dirty water. Blocked pipes or a malfunctioning drain pump can cause water to pool inside the machine, which must be cleared to avoid hygiene risks. Explanation. An internal inspection allows you to pinpoint problems that aren't immediately visible. Regular cleaning of these internal parts ensures the machine operates effectively and prevents bigger issues from arising. Key maintenance tasks: cleaning the machine. Daily cleaning. At the end of each day, remove any food particles or debris and clean the filters. Wipe down all internal and external surfaces to prevent buildup. Deep cleaning. A more thorough cleaning is required weekly. This involves descaling the heating element and removing lime deposits from internal parts, as hard water can cause mineral buildup over time. Explanation. Cleaning is one of the most important maintenance tasks. Daily cleaning prevents debris from clogging the machine, while weekly deep cleaning helps avoid mineral buildup, which can damage components. Inspecting electrical components. Wiring and connections. Ensure that no wires are frayed or damaged. Loose or worn wires can lead to short circuits or machine failure. If there are signs of damage, replace the wiring. Control panel. The control panel shows error codes when something goes wrong. After inspecting the wiring, check the control panel to ensure it's working properly and troubleshoot any error codes. Explanation. Electrical inspections are crucial for preventing issues related to machine control. Damaged wires or malfunctioning control panels can halt the machine or cause malfunctions. Servicing common issues. Low cleaning performance. Possible causes. If dishes aren't coming out clean, it could be due to clogged spray arms or filters, low water pressure, or incorrect detergent usage. Servicing steps. Check the spray arms and clean them if needed. Ensure there are no blockages in the water supply and check that the correct detergent is being used and in the right amount. Explanation. Low cleaning performance is a common issue, but it can be easily fixed by cleaning or adjusting specific components. Regular maintenance can prevent this problem. Water retention. Possible causes. Standing water in the bottom of the machine is usually due to a blocked drain system or a faulty drain pump. Servicing steps. Clean out any debris from the drain, check the pump for damage, and replace it if necessary. Explanation. Water retention can lead to hygiene issues and machine malfunctions. Fixing drainage problems promptly will prevent these complications. Testing and calibration. After servicing, run test cycles. After completing the servicing, run a test cycle to ensure all components are functioning as they should. This helps confirm that any repairs or adjustments were successful. Monitor temperatures. Use a thermometer to ensure the water reaches the appropriate temperature for washing and rinsing. Commercial dishwashers need hot water to properly clean and sanitize dishes. Check final results. After running the cycle, check the cleanliness of the dishes and utensils to ensure the machine is performing at optimal levels. Explanation. Testing the machine after servicing is essential to ensure that it's operating correctly. Monitoring the water temperature and cleanliness of dishes helps to identify any remaining issues. Preventive maintenance checklist. Weekly. Clean filters. Inspect spray arms and check detergent levels to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Monthly. Perform a deep clean, check water temperature accuracy, and inspect all electrical connections to ensure the machine is working safely and efficiently. Annually, conduct a full inspection of the machine. This includes replacing worn parts like seals or gaskets, testing heating elements, and checking the water pressure for consistent performance. Explanation. A regular maintenance schedule ensures the dishwasher continues to function properly over time. Preventive maintenance helps catch potential problems before they become costly repairs. Safety considerations during servicing. Electrical safety. Always disconnect the power before starting any servicing work. This prevents accidental electrocution or damage to the machine's electrical components. Water supply. Shut off the water supply when working on parts that involve water flow, such as pipes and pumps. This helps avoid accidental flooding. Personal protection. Wear safety gloves and goggles to protect yourself from sharp parts or chemicals used in cleaning or descaling. Explanation. Safety is always a priority when servicing any machine. Following basic safety guidelines ensures that the technician and the machine are protected during maintenance. Essential tools for servicing. Multimeter. Used to check the continuity of electrical circuits, ensuring that there are no electrical faults in the machine. Thermometer. Helps verify that the water inside the machine is reaching the required temperature for proper cleaning and sanitization. Wrench set. Needed for loosening or tightening bolts and parts during disassembly and reassembly of the machine. Cleaning brush. Used for removing debris from the spray arms and filters to keep the machine running smoothly. Lubricants. Apply to door hinges and other moving parts to prevent squeaking and ensure smooth operation. Explanation. Having the right tools on hand makes servicing easier and more efficient. Each tool has a specific purpose that aids in accurate diagnosis and repair of the dishwasher.